Thanks for watching Wise Monkey. Please share and subscribe, and check the description of this video for some links to important parts and tools. And so sometimes with the Hondas and many other vehicles, actually same thing, that when you're driving there is suddenly a thud, especially when you go to a stop and then start rolling again, then there is a thud, as if the transmission is not shifting right. So the problem is usually the engine mounts or transmission mount. Sometimes it could be suspension parts too, but in this case it is in general Hondas have this problem. So jack up the car like the way I did at the front down there, the subframe there, and secure it. There is a video I posted on how to safely jack a car. Please check that too, because it's very important that you follow the safety. Now turn the wheel outward like this, and this is the front driver's side transmission mount. If this gets cracked, the rubber separates from the metal, then it would make a thud as you try to accelerate from a stop to go. Show you how to test. See, this rubber actually separated. Look, there's the rubber. So to replace it, simple, 4 bolts, but you also have to put a piece of wood under the engine here, and use another jack, maybe the other scissor jack that's provided by the manufacturer. In the trunk there's a jack, and just support it a little bit here, and then take 2 bolts out right here through these holes, this hole and this hole. You can see, yeah, 2 out and 2 more out from the sides. This one and the far back, that one. Then take the mount out, slide the new mount in. You may have to jack the engine up a little bit from the bottom so that you can clear the studs. These two bolts have start sticking out, so you have to clear it out. And that's it for the driver side mount. Now the passenger side mount also goes. There's the mount at the back and the front as well, but they seldom, they barely go wrong. For the passenger side, behind the power steering pump reservoir, right down there. So you have to again support the engine from the bottom if you want to replace it. When you replace the timing belt, always best to replace the engine mount as well, this one, because this go. use a crowbar or pry bar and push back and forth to see if it moves or not. If rubber separated, then you have to replace it. I'll provide some links. 14mm bolts, 15mm bolts right here, 2 here, 2, and 2 at the far side, down there on the floor. I don't know if you can see it, right down there. One on this side, one on the other side. This pull it out is best. You have to take this guy out to access it, easier access. Okay, I'll not show in detail how to replace them because this one I don't need to replace, the other one is pretty simple to replace. And hope this helps, and please share and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Okay, take care, bye.